Hello and welcome to this presentation. Today I'm going to show you how to design your program. So right now I have a project open and it looks like it could use some designing help. So and you may have wondered, if you've seen some of MNC Coding's programs, for example Toolbox, um, it's got a really nice design. It's got error. Um, and you may have wondered, well, how can I do that? So I'm going to show you how right now. Okay. So now, first of all, let's start by closing Solution Explorer. It'll give us more room to work with properties, because we'll be working with the properties quite a bit. And let's go from A to Z instead of categorized, alphabetical. That's what it is. So first, let's go to Start Position and let's change it to Center Screen. What this does is when the program starts, it'll come up in the middle of the screen instead of. And I'll change it back. I will change it back to Windows default. See, it comes up right there. We don't want that. We want it in the center. Now, if you want it Windows default, fine, but I'll put it in the center. And then we're going to scroll up till we come to Form Border Style. We're going to change that to None. And then you're like, that doesn't look any better to me. But hey, I mean, that's how I got to making my other programs look how they look. So just wait, we're not done. Now let's keep going up. Let's go to back color and choose a different color. I usually don't want to pick something too bright. That's a nice color. Okay. And then, see this text box here. We could leave it like that, but we could also change it. Change the back color to maybe to that light. It's kind of could just leave it as it. Whoops. Could just leave it as it was. Then we can change these buttons. This is a really the fun part. We can change the flat style down here to change it to flat, so that when we start the program, of course, so when you see how that works, then the message, right, okay, so we can do that flat style. Change it on this other button too. So go to flat style, and go to change it to flat. Okay, that's looking good. But let's select all these by holding down Control, these three objects, and just pull them down. I'm doing this for a reason. I do everything for a reason, usually. Then we can put that down here. Also this over here. You'll see what I'm getting at. Now let's copy the search button. Copy it. Let's paste it. Paste. So now let's paste it again. Paste. So now we have three search buttons, it looks like, but we really don't. So let's change the text on this one to help. Let's change the text on this one to exit. And let's align this a little better. There we go. Just double click the exit button, put in our code e.close. Let's go back to Form 1, and then let's save that, and let's go to Project, add Windows Form, and let's call it Help. And we're going to design that too in a minute. And then let's double click the Help button, put in help.show dialog. Okay, and back to Form 1. Alright, now the Settings button also needs some help. To also push all these guys up a bit, couldn't we? Okay. Pull that up. Okay, let's click the settings button and let's change the flat style to flat. And let's see, let's debug the program, test things out. Of course, we'll work with that. Exit works. Okay, let's start again. Of course, that all works, I know. Okay, right. Settings. Okay, good. So now let's work with the help. So let's just select that. Let's choose start position, center screen. Let's go show in taskbar to false. Show icon also false. Oops, it's not. There we go. Let's keep going up here. Okay, form border style, none. And back color, let's leave it as control. I'm going to resize this just a little. Okay, let's also add a label. So and then let's click format, center and form horizontally. Let's type in help. Let's go here to the font and click that little button. And let's make it larger, more like 22. And let's go back to format again, center and form. Okay, let's add another label. Hope I'm not moving along too fast. This is the help. I'm not going to really put much help there. Let's format that, center and form horizontally. Let's make that a little bit. Oh, let's put that there. And control, so we can select both of these. Let's put them over there. Let's make this like that. Normally I would have made that a lot larger. I'll show you some more examples in a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to, let's go back to form 1. Let's copy a button. Let's copy the exit button. Copy. Paste. Okay, now let's change the text to close. And let's change the the back color to whatever we put it. I think that's what it was. Let's center it in the form, make things perfect. There we go. Okay, let's save that and run it. See how that looks. Oh, we have an issue. Looks like our form is sticking out when we debug it. Oh, isn't that interesting? Okay, I think I made it too small. So let's enlarge it a little. Control select all these. Format, center and form horizontally. Save, start, help. There we go. That fixed it. Okay. Oh, we didn't add our code to the close button. Double click the close button. E.close. Save, run. Let's see, help, close. Perfect. Okay, also we need to work with the settings, don't we? Let's close that. Let's go to settings. So we'll start here at the bottom. Start position needs to be center screen. Okay, show in taskbar, I'm going to make that false. Show icon, also false. Go up till we get to form border style. Let's make that none. Okay. So, and again, this is really simple. Use Bing for search engine. I'm going to make that probably a bit larger here, like that. I'm going to center that, format, center and form horizontally. Okay, I'm going to put the true right there, put the false right there. I'm going to make this smaller. True. Let me see. Oh, we can change the size. So we change it to 12. Let's change that to 12. I'm not sure if these settings even work. It's been a while since I've touched this. Format, center, and form horizontally. Okay, that looks good. Start, settings. Huh, there has to be a way to close that. Huh? I don't know why I never added a button to that. Oh, I know why. Because our form border style was standard. So let's go back to form 1. Copy this button. Go back to settings. Paste the button. I think it would look better if we did something like this. Okay. Select, oops, control select all of these. Format, center, and form. I think we should center these alone because it might not have. Okay. And then maybe we can pull those guys up just a little. And format them again, center and form. And maybe we can pull that up. Format, center, and form. As you can see, I'm trying to do everything perfectly. Select the exit button. Back color is going to be whatever that one is. Let's double click the exit button. me.close, and then I forgot we want to change that to just close over here, the text. So perfect. Okay, we can even test the settings. That's going to be an interesting experiment for me. Okay, let's see if you use Bing. Actually, I'll search for something more interesting. Right, okay. Let's see. See what happens now. Ah, it does Google. Yeah, it does work. Yeah. Alright. So, it was, hope you learned from this lesson. So now, I'll give you some examples here. A lot of our programs, the way we've designed them is just by doing that simply. It's, we hardly use any code to design our programs. I mean, if you compare that with the old version, I don't have an old picture of the old version up, but it was really ugly. It was white spaces. It was like text boxes. These will all look like text boxes, and I hid all those. And then I'll show you. I don't know, clock. I don't know if we have it. Yeah, I'm totally not against doing the standard Windows style, especially on Windows 7. It looks nicer. So, I mean, there's room for changes. Same with that. I mean, that looks gorgeous. It looks really nice. Mazes 1.1. I mean, that's, I love that design. That's a great design. Music Notes Drum Player. We're about to release a new version on that. So it looks a little ugly currently, but we're going to be changing things. Notes. That's actually a really nice design when you think about it. A real estate tracker. I don't have a photo of that right now. Screen capture. Screen capture could use some work, but it's pretty good. We're working on it. And Toolbox, of course, probably one of our best looking programs. So, alright. So I hope you learned a lot in designing programs, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.